Good morning, dear listeners. Yesterday we have discussed exercise C. Today I'm going to discuss exercise D, and this is read it yourself. Read this poem where a child thinks what he wants to be when he grows up. I wish I were. And this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. When the gong means bell. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Lane means narrow street. When the gong sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road, crying bangles, bangle, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. Spade means tool. The tool he is using. He soil his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. Task means work. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant. Giant means very big, with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow and his sight, and never once goes to bed in his life. Lantern means a lamp. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets online all night, chasing means follow the shadows with my lantern. So my dear student, this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and in this poem the poet is trying to tell us about a boy dreams what he wishes to be grow up. He come across many people. Every day when he goes to school, he meet a hawker. Hawker is a person who sells the thing. And here hawker is selling crystal bangle. So he wants to be a hawker. So he can spend his whole day on street. After that, when he come back from the school, he saw a gardener digging the ground. He finds his work very interesting. He likes his tool, and what he likes his dirty clothes with the dust. And he wants to work like a gardener. Now what his wish is? He wish to be a gardener digging the garden where nobody stop him. And after that, in evening, his mother sent him to bed for sleeping. But what he see? He see through open window the watchman walking up and down. You can see here the boy is watching watchman, and he is walking up and down. And what he noticed, the watchman have a lantern and walk with the shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. He say, I also don't want to go to bed like watchman. So now what his wishes here? He wants to be a watchman walking the street online, chasing the shadow with the lantern. So dear student, what we have read in this poem, different wishes of the poet. जहाँ पर पोएट कभी हॉकर बनना चाहता है और उसकी तरह बैंगल्स बेचना चाहता है और अपना पूरा दिन रोड पर ही रहना चाहता है और ज़ोर ज़ोर से बोलना चाहता है बैंगल क्रिस्टल बैंगल्स। आफ्टर डेट उसके बाद वह एक गार्डनर बनना चाहता है और अपना पूरा डे वो गार्डन में स्पेंड करना चाहता है, जहाँ पर उसे कोई भी काम करने से नहीं रुकेगा। और लास्ट में वह एक वॉचमैन बनना चाहता है जो रात के समय गलियों में लालटेन लेकर घूमे और कभी भी अपने बेड पर सोने के लिए नहीं जाए. So dear student, that's all for the day. What will you do? You will read this poem one time. Thank you and have a nice day.